Welcome to Landria Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through fears to live an awesome life. Let's talk about raising your frequency one step to raising your frequency. If you do this all day, you will not only raise your frequency, but you will start to see things manifest in your life that are amazing, that are positive. Because when you go to a higher frequency, well, pretty cool stuff resides there. Right? Other high frequency activities, people, things are there, like the elevator. When you're low frequency, you can't attract something up here. This is why this law of attraction thing doesn't work for people. I'm going to track this down here. No, you're not. You must raise your frequency to get to that which resonates on the, let's just say, level, the frequency that you desire. All right, a loving relationship isn't on the first floor where people are insecure or abusive. That resides on a higher frequency. So let's talk about raising the frequency. Here's your one step. Every situation that you are in, ask yourself this question. What is the highest possible response? What is my highest possible response? That means you're not doing 3-second manifesting in your car when somebody cuts you off, right? You're just responding. What's my highest possible response? Well, you can flip them the bird, but if you're doing your one step to a higher frequency, you're not going to do that because that one action now just reverberated throughout the universe. That's exactly what's happening. I want you to take this that seriously. Your one action affects the entire planet and beyond because we're just one energy. And everything that goes into that energy, up or down, or however it's, let's just say, created, used, you are absolutely contributing to the collective. You flip somebody the bird and you just took all of us down a notch. All right, so we're raising that frequency, and every thought is a one step to the higher frequency. What is my highest action right now? What is my highest reaction right now? Absolutely everything. So you're in a group of people at work and somebody starts to gossip. What's my highest reaction right now? Sometimes it's not to react at all. Sometimes it's to just observe. But then you got to watch that thought because that's an action. So if you are going into a thought, you could send blessings. All right? Somebody does something to you all day. You're going to be tested all day long. You watch the news? I don't watch the news. But let's say you watch the news. You feel for some reason you have to watch the news. Do you find your blood pressure going up? Oh, that's not right. What's my highest reaction right now? What's my highest response right now? Could be to shut it off. What's going to take your frequency up in that moment? If it's a response, it must be higher. All right? Everything must be a higher frequency response to go, and that takes one step. One step. Shut the news off. Do not get into the debate. Bless people. Do not get engaged in the gossip. Do not flip the bird for somebody who cuts you off. Absolutely everything you do. Instead of being irritated and wanting somebody to change, bless them and respect their thoughts and opinions. Do not argue. Sometimes it's not doing anything. What's my highest response? If you are not feeling good about yourself, what is the highest response that you can do? Go meditate. Have that little conversation and realize that's a story in your head that's taking you down. Change the story. Change the comment. Make no comment. Do something nice for somebody. Here's a moment I have a chance to raise my frequency, higher response. Do I open the door for that person? Let's open the door for that person. Can I carry the groceries out to the car for that old lady? Let's do it. Higher response. Absolutely every single moment of your life, because we got thoughts going on, is a moment for a higher response. Your frequency will go up and up and up and up, and you will start to manifest amazing things because it's automatically opening up and getting rid of the blocks. Blocks are lower frequency thoughts, actions, beliefs, actions. Even for your own body, what's my highest response when you start to put food in your mouth? What's my highest response? Wow, I'm going to put the chemicals down. I'm going to pick something healthier. You now start to support a planet of healthiness. And then those things, those people, those corporations making the unhealthy stuff, they don't have a market. We put them out of business. And guess what? They can flourish. They'll start to pick healthier stuff to sell to us. There's no punishment there. Everyone can flourish. What is my highest response? Try it. It's going to feel really good. At the end of the day, you're going to go, wow, I just feel more positive because your frequency's going up. Yeah, watch what happens. You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.